Hello, dear all. Welcome to our next lesson. Today we are going to talk some groups of numbers. Let's start. The first group of number that we will start, they are called counting numbers. Counting numbers, they are numbers that we use when we count the things. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until positive infinity. So, in some sources, you can see these numbers as natural numbers. They are positive integers. And sometimes we call them as whole numbers. The second group of numbers are cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers can be same with counting numbers. The only difference is they don't start from 1, but they start from 0. After 0, everything is the same as in counting numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till positive infinity are called cardinal numbers. The third popular group of numbers are even numbers. Even numbers start with even digits that are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then they continue as 10, 12, 14, and so on. How can we define a number even or odd? We have to look at the last digit, for example, 3,456. This number ends with 6. 6 is even digit, so this number is even number. The fourth type of number, the fourth group, is odd. So odd numbers, they start with odd digits like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then continue with the numbers 11, 13, 15, and so on. If we have a multi-digit number like 3,465, we see that the number ends with 5. This is odd digit, so this number is an odd number. Okay, sometimes children are mixing between even and odd. I can tell you some easy method how to remember them. So this is the word even, this is the word odd. How many letters in the word even? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. The digit 4 is even, so this is even. Odd, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters, so 3 is an odd digit, so this is odd. The fifth groups of angles are square numbers. Let us square some numbers. Like, let us start with 1. 1 times 1 is 1 squared. That answer is 1. 2 times 2 is 2 squared. This is 4. 3 times 3 is 3 squared. This is 9. So 1, 4, 9, they are the first 3 square numbers. Square numbers. For example, 10 is not square number. Why 10 is not square number? Because there is no an integer that you can multiply by itself and you can get 10. But 36 is a square number because if you multiply 6 by 6, you can get 36. The sixth type of number. The sixth group is cube numbers. Okay, cube numbers, it looks like square numbers, but here we have to multiply a number 3 times by itself. 1 times 1 times 1, this is 1 cubed, and this is 1. 2 times 2 times 2, it is 2 cubed, and this is 8. 3 times 3 times 3, it is 3 cubed, and this is 27. 1, 8, 27, they are first 3 cube numbers. 12 is not cube number because you cannot find an integer that you can multiply that integer 3 times by itself and you can get 12. But 64 is cube number because if you multiply 4 by 4 by 4, you can get 64. The seventh type is called triangular numbers. Triangular numbers, generally it starts with 1, then we add 2, and the answer is 3. Then we will not add 2. Instead of 2, we will add 3. The answer is 5. Now we will add 4. The answer is 9. And now we will add 5. The answer is the seventh type is triangular numbers. Triangular numbers, they generally start with 1. We add 2 and we get 3. We add 3 and we get 6. We add 4 and we get 10. Now we will add 5 and we get 15. And next time we can add 6 and we'll get 21. So each time we add one more than previous addition. We add 2, then one more 3, then one more 4, then one more 5, and then one more 6, and so we can continue our sequence. And the eighth type, eighth group of numbers, this is palindromic numbers. These numbers are very interesting as if you want to read these numbers from left to right or from right to left, you will read the same number, like 9,339 and 9,339. For example, 757. From left to right, it is 757, and from right to left, it is 757. Okay, today we learned about counting, cardinal, even, odd, square, cube, triangular, and cardinal numbers. Thank you for being with us. Thank you to take active part in our lessons. Thank you for sharing the videos, liking them. And you are welcome to ask your questions. With great pleasure, I will answer them. See you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.